All right, class, let's start our first exercise for Project 1 called Blind Contour. The goal for this exercise is really to develop our perceptual ability and draw what we see and not what we think we see. Most beginning students will try to draw an object and they'll spend more time looking at the paper than actually the object that they're trying to draw. So the point of this exercise is to really reinforce looking at your object more than your drawing. So I have a little mug here with some tea I've been drinking. So that's what I'm going to do to demonstrate this this exercise. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the coffee mug right in front of me here so I can see it clearly. And I am going to I'm going to find a place to start. And once I know where I'm going to start, I'm going to put my pencil down, but then I'm not going to look at my paper any longer. I'm going to just look at the object, and I'm going to let my eyes follow that object very slowly, and I'm going to try and get my hand to move with my eyes. So what we're building here is that hand-eye brain coordination that is really important for drawing. So, and I'm using my 6B here. You're welcome to use your 2B or if you'd like, but I recommend a softer pencil for this rather than a harder pencil. So I've got the place where I'm going to start, and now I'm just going to look at my object with my eyes, and I'm just going to let my hand try and trace what my eye sees in front of me. And I'm just going to go slowly here and do my best. This is about learning how to see, not about making a good drawing. If your drawing looks really good, then you're probably looking and you're probably cheating. So hopefully it looks kind of bad and lopsided. And what we want to do is we're just going to keep going. So I have an inside rim here I want to draw as well, because my cup has volume. And the second rule is to not pick up your pencil. So the idea is to never pick up the pencil. So if I need to go to a different area, let's say I'm ready to start drawing the handle here, I'll just go to where I think it should be, and then I'm going to start drawing the handle. And I'm just following this form of my mug with my eyes. And I am doing the best I can. And it's probably looking pretty messed up by now, I'm sure. But that's not the point. I know people that are very, very good at this, but, you know, they're like unicorns. So don't worry about it. Hopefully this will give you a little bit of humorous joy, too, once you actually look at this thing. It's a really fun exercise to do with people's faces. So, maybe you've got a sibling or a friend or a family member that you could do this project with. Okay. Hey, look at that. There's my cup. So you can see I've got it a little off here, but that's okay. That's what we want. We want to build the seeing process less than the actual, what the object looks like. We're trying to build that hand-eye coordination. So now go ahead and do this with about 3 times. You're welcome to use the same object again, or if you want to switch it up and use a different object, you're welcome to do that as well. Yeah, spend about 3 to 5 minutes on each one of these blind contours. All right, have fun.